In this video, we'll show you the initial hardware setup out of the box for the Canon imageCLASS LBP6030w printer and how to wirelessly connect it to your Windows computer. Let's get started. After carefully removing the printer from the box, we need to check to make sure the power and USB cables are present. The USB cable will be used to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi at a later step. Next, open the output tray and the top cover. Please don't remove the orange paper with the instructions just yet. Only remove the styrofoam insert. Next, we need to prepare the toner cartridge. Carefully remove it from the printer. Gently shake or rock the cartridge to distribute the toner evenly, and place it on a flat surface. Next, remove the orange tab near the electronic contacts on the top left of the cartridge. While firmly holding onto the toner cartridge, grab the orange sealing tape ring from the side of the cartridge and pull it straight out. Please try not to pull the tape out at an angle. If the sealing tape breaks, you may not be able to pull it out completely. Next, pull the orange paper instructions out to remove the rest of the orange packing materials in the printer. Carefully replace the toner cartridge back in the printer. Align it with the toner cartridge guide and push firmly all the way in. And then close the top cover. Next, remove the orange tape from the multi-purpose tray. Spread the paper guides apart and outward. Before loading the paper, fan it first and align the edges. Load the paper with the print side face up and slide it all the way in until it touches the back side. Align the paper guides securely against the edges of the paper. Paper guides that are too loose or too tight can cause misfeeds or paper jams. Please make sure the paper stack does not exceed the limit guides. Loading too much paper can cause paper jams. Now we'll connect your printer to your Wi-Fi. Confirm that your wireless router is available and is properly set up. Also, confirm that your Windows computer is connected to the network. Next, make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. The power light on top of the printer will be lit when the printer is on. Now let's install the software. On your web browser, go to the top and type the website usa.canon.com/support. Search for your printer by entering the model number in the search box. Then select it from the list. Select Software and Drivers. Verify that your operating system is detected. Then select and download the latest recommended LBP UFR2LT printer driver. The Canon Software License Agreement screen will display. If you accept the terms, select Yes. If you select No, the printer driver will not download. Select the download arrow at the top right of your browser. Then open the LBP driver file. After the file unzips, select the folder icon to open the File Explorer window. Go to your Downloads folder and open the folder with your printer's model number. And select the Network Setting tool. Then select the CNAN1STK.exe file to run the Canon MFLBP Network Setup tool. Select Wireless LAN Connection and choose Next. Make sure the option, Yes, I want to configure network settings, is selected, then choose Next. Select Easy Setup and then choose Next. Select the option on the right side of the window. My wireless LAN access point does not have a WPS button. Please note, your router may have a WPS button, but for the purposes of this video we are focusing on the does not have method, which should work for all users. And then select Next. Make sure the printer is powered on, and then connect the USB cable to your printer and computer. Select Next to proceed. The Setup tool will now search for available networks. Select your network name when it appears on the list. If you do not see any networks listed here, make sure the USB cable is properly connected directly to the printer and not through a USB hub. Then choose Next. The printer will now connect to your wireless network. This may take a few minutes. When the connection is complete, disconnect the USB cable. Select Next to proceed. When this screen appears, select Exit. Now that the wireless connection is established, we need to install the printer driver. Return to your Downloads folder. Again, open the folder with your printer's model number, and then select the Bootup folder. Open the Setup application. The license agreement screen will display. If you accept the terms, select Yes. If you select No, the software will not be installed. When this screen appears, select Standard, then choose Next. The program will search for available printers on the network. Select your printer when it appears on the list. And choose Next. When this screen appears, select Start to begin the installation. This may take a few minutes. The Extended Survey Program screen will display. If you accept the terms, select Accept twice. If you select Do not accept, the software will not be installed. Select OK to complete the installation. Congratulations! This concludes the setup of your Canon imageCLASS printer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.